Good morning, everyone. Let us talk about the Special Olympic Bharat. Let me win, but if I cannot win, let me be brave in my attempt. My dear students, each and every citizen of this country are having the same right to get the opportunity to participate in different kind of physical and health education activities. As we were talking about the Divyang and children with special need, so the health education, games and physical education, this is one of the most essential requirement of the child with special need. In the series of this study, we are talking about the Special Olympic Bharat. Let me talk about the Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat is a national sports federation which was registered under Indian Trust Act 1882 in 2001. It has been accredited by the Special Olympic International to conduct a Special Olympic program in India. This is a sports related program and it is recognized by the Government of India as a national sports federation in the senior category so that it may be developed and organize sports activities in urban as well as the rural India. Special Olympics Bharat is an officially recognized program of Special Olympic International which operates in India. It was founded in 1987 as Special Olympic India and changed its name to Special Olympic Bharat in 2001. It is recognized by the Government of India as a national sports federation for the development of sports opportunity for the people with intellectual disabilities. So here this is a statement that is very important to know that the people with the disabilities are having the right to participate in the physical education and activities, and so that the India has launched this program to offer the opportunity to the people who are having this special need. The Special Olympic Bharat program has so far drawn a number of coaches to work with 8,50,875 athletes across the country. It is a national federation which is registered under the Indian Trust Act. Government of India as a national sports federation in the priority category for development of sports for the person with intellectual disabilities and is a designed nodal agency for all disabilities on account of its national presence and experience, especially in rural areas, with account for the nearly 75% of the disabled population in India. So here are so many things that we can make it very clear through this all explanation that Special Olympic Bharat is nothing but it is a sports program and it is especially designed for the disabled or children with a special need, we can say for the Divyang. It is registered under the Indian Trust Act 1882. The main motto or the target of this program to launch or provide the opportunity to all the countrymen, those who are having intellectual disabilities. The mission of Special Olympic Bharat is to provide year-round sports training and athletic competitions in variety of Olympic type sports for the children and adults with intellectual disabilities. Here one thing also I want to make I want to make it clear that this program is not only to provide the opportunity to participate, but also it arranges the training for the Divyangs. They give them continued opportunity to develop physical fitness, demonstrate courage, experience joy, and participate in a sharing of gifts, skill, and friendship with their families, other Special Olympic athletes, and the community. Now, we will talk about the philosophy of Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat believes that the people with intellectual disabilities can learn, enjoy, and benefit from participation in sports with proper help and encouragement. Consistent training helps develop sporting skills besides competitions. It takes their skill, measures progress, and provide incentive for the personal growth. So here the belief and the philosophy of this program not only to provide the opportunities, but this Special Olympic Bharat also put the same effort to give them enjoyment, benefits, and participation. They also try to make them skillful. They also measure the progress of the child. They also provide the incentive for the personal growth. Sports strengthen and benefits people with intellectual disabilities physically, mentally, socially, and spiritually. They also help their families and the community as a large through both participation and observation. Special Olympic Bharat works towards social acceptance of people with intellectual disabilities. So here the people, those who are having the intellectual disabilities, they are having the equal right to be the part of the society, and if they participate in this kind of sports activities, what happen actually, they are being accepted by the society. It offers them equal chances to become productive and respectable citizen. It happens that in the society, if the person is having the intellectual disabilities or any kind of disabilities, they feel ignorant with from their family members as well as the society members. But if they participate in the sports activities, they take training, they get the all kind of development, spiritual, social, emotional, physical, mental, and only due to that, finally, the people very easily feel it that they are gradually being a part of the countryman, the society, and the neighborhood. So it is very important to give them the chance to be the part of the society. We encourage our athlete to move from Special Olympic training and competition into school and community program so that they may compete in regular sports activities. Special Olympic Bharat also strives to impact holistic development and training that covers all aspects of life. Such training will motivate children with disabilities to stay tuned and complete education. Create role models. These role models will inspire the children and encourage the parents to send their differently able children to school. So here actually what happens that the family members, the mother and father of the child thinks that my child is not able to participate in this kind of activities, they cannot be the part of society. But when they see that the child is participating not only in the sports activity, but they are also winning in that, so they get motivation through these kind of activities, and they go and think it that yes, I have to send my child to the school citizen teaches to the special programs and needs of the mentally disabled children, ensure maximum involvement of the community. Most of the activities are run by local volunteers. So Special Olympic Bharat not only bring them to there, but also they arrange the different kind of people, those are having the skill to teach them, ensure that all Special Olympic Bharat activities, local, state, national and international, reflect the Olympic movement values, standard and ceremonies in and events. So, the mission of Special Olympic Bharat is to provide round the year sports training and athletic competitions in a variety of Olympic type sports for the children and adults with the intellectual disabilities. And here, in final conclusion, I want to tell you that Special Olympic Bharat is especially made for the people those who are having the intellectual disabilities and the children with special need, we can say for the Divyang, and all round 12,43,246 athletes with intellectual disabilities. 1,19,900 coaches are associated with this, and altogether 6,162 trainers are there. All state and union territories of India is having this kind of facility there in their jurisdiction. 679 districts are involved in it, and 1 lakh athletes more reached every year, and they are going to be the part of that. An outstanding medal in the almost every sports, and if you will go through the data of the medal tally, you will see that the Special Olympic Bharat is in condition to give them the opportunity that not only they are performing here inside the India, but if they are getting chance to be out of the India, they are getting the training. So my dear students, you will go through the book, you will listen this lecture, and after listening this, you will read the topic carefully, and after that you will answer the question related with it. And one thing I want to tell you, that as you are the senior student, you have to prepare your notes by your own after seeing the text in the book as well as my lecture. And in such a way, I hope that you will be very benefited to write the answer in the examination hall. So we will make the next meeting very soon, tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.